What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's Nene, the crazy, funny Haitian girl that thinks she all that, and that's a fact. Y'all, I'm so happy today. I hit 30 subscribers. Thank you guys so much. I love you guys. We're on the road to 50 subs, so continue to watch this video, and I hope you stick around. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Y'all, you already know what I do. So the first thing I did was I went in with my NYX primer, and I also went in with my Honey Do Me Up. And then the first thing I did was I went into my Zulu palette, and I went in with that orange eyeshadow, and I used that as my transitioning color. Then I went in my 352 palette, and I used that fiery red, and I deepened the crease a bit. And I went right back into that palette, and I used Wiz, what I'm tapping into my crease, deepening the crease right now. And I'm basically going back and forth with the fiery red shade, and I'm trying to blend that out just to make it look seamless and blend it out. Y'all, I was so scared because I didn't know what I was doing, but it turned out to look really pretty, and I'm just so proud of myself. And by the way, do y'all love my hair? It's Bantu knots, baby girl. And y'all, as you can see, I did my cut crease off camera because, baby, and now I'm going in my 35B palette, and I use that white shade, and I'm applying that in my tear duct. Y'all, I was confused with this look. Like, it just looks so cute after I creased it. Like, after I did my cut crease, it looks so cute. I just didn't know what shade I was going to apply on my cut crease. So basically, you're probably going to be like, yeah, she looks confused. Yeah, I was confused the whole video. I didn't know what I was going to do. But I'm going back into my Zulu palette, and I'm tapping into that turquoise. And I am applying that right next to the white shade. And I'm just going to blend that out real quick. Y'all, I didn't know what I was going to do. I didn't know how to go about this look. My friend was like, girl, keep on doing your thing, girl. You look like a hot mamacita. So I was like, thank you, girl. And I'm going right back in that Zulu palette, and I'm taking that orange shade. Y'all, I love this palette. Like, I've been using this palette, and I love it. And I'm applying that orange shade right next to the turquoise. But towards the end of the video, you'll see that it doesn't show much, and I kind of wanted it like that. I didn't want it to be seen as much, but just like a hint of it. So that's why I'm going back in with Wiz, with that black shade color, and I'm kind of like trying to take away the orange shade just a bit. And now, as you can see, I'm blending the turquoise and the orange together. Yes, look like a hot mamacita. And now I'm going in with my Can't Stop, Won't Stop foundation in the color Sienna. And y'all, I love this foundation. It's very matte, and I love matte. I love a matte look. But y'all, I don't think this shade is my color, but I have to go back and get my shade. But as you can see, I'm using my Insta Pop from Real Technique face brush, and I'm just tapping the foundation into my skin. Do not swipe. It's tap. And y'all see how fast it got dry? And I have really dry skin, you guys. I have really bad, like, my skin. Let me tell you something. Winter time is the time where I wear makeup a lot because, baby, my face is dry. Like, you ain't never seen dry face before like mine. And now I'm going in with my LA Pro Girl Concealer in the color Fawn. And I'm just applying that on my nose, chin, forehead, and under my eyes. And now I'm going in with Black Opal in the color Ebony. And this is their foundation stick, and I'm using it to contour. And I'm just applying that on my forehead and underneath my cheeks. And now I'm trying to slim that nose down. And now I'm just going to sit here and let that concealer set. Yeah. Yes, girl. And now I'm going back in with my Instapop foundation brush. And I'm just tapping that concealer out and letting that thing sink into my skin. And now I'm taking my Laura Mercier and Topaz mixed, and I'm just, actually, no, I'm not. I just took my Real Technique brush and I'm blending out the concealers that's still under my eye. And now I am slimming down my nose. And now I'm pressing my Laura Mercier and Topaz into my skin. You guys know that I don't like to bake first. I kind of like just press it into my skin and then I bake afterwards. Bake, bake, bake that face. Bake, bake, bake your face. I'm looking like a ghost. You guys see what I'm talking about? This foundation I think is a bit too light for me. But now I am using my contour brush and I'm basically just blending out the black opal. I love this brush, y'all. I got this brush from TJ Maxx. And now I'm going in with my MAC Studio Finish face powder and the color Dark Deep. And I'm just using this Real Techniques brush and I'm applying that all over my face. And now I'm using my blush palette that I bought from my local beauty supply store. And I'm using my Real Techniques brush, Real Techniques blush brush. And I'm applying my blush on my face. I love, yes, yes, yes. And now I'm taking Fenty Beauty highlighter. And I'm going to use Hustla Baby, which is on the right side. I'm trying so hard to make you guys see it, but it wasn't working out. And I look, yes, I love it. Y'all, I love highlighting. And now I'm going back in my Zulu palette and I'm taking that orange shade and I'm taking this small little brush and I'm just applying that under my eyes just to give me a little color. And now I'm going in with my auto lip pencil in the color dark brown and I'm lining up my lips. Y'all, I was teaching my friend how to roll his tongue like but y'all, my friend Shalonda, she is like the master of lip pencil and liquid lipstick. Y'all, I don't know how she do it, but she do that thing in seconds and she just be bomb.com with that thing. But now I'm taking my NYX liquid lipstick in the color Baby Doll. I love this lipstick. And I'm just putting that on, yes. Giving that little natural pink look, yes. And now I'm going in with my NYX setting spray and I'm setting my face. Yes, you can't tell me nothing. Can't tell me nothing, girl. All right, close up, what's up? Thank y'all for watching. I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.